start.
What's up? Am I allowed to use calculator?
Yes, you can use calculator. It's a calculator paper. Paper 2 is calculator. Paper 3 is calculator. Only paper 1 is non-calculator.
Okay.
So number 1, your answers.
Oh, so number one is -3,
Okay.
-3, -1,
Okay.
2, 2,
2.
and then 4, then 7.
And 7. Okay. Let's go to number 2 quickly. Can be fast.
5.
5. What did you exactly do there? Together.
I balanced it by 100. I mean, I divided it by 100. Divided by 100.
Okay, divide by 100. And you got 5. If you divide 5,000 by 100, you won't
I mean,
get 5.
no, 100. I meant 1,000. Sorry.
1,000 is correct. So that will now give us 5 liters. Okay. You are right.
Sure.
You are correct. So we'll move to the next question. That is number 3. To put it as a decimal, what will it be? First,
0.31.
0.31 is correct. Then in number 4, that we should find the numbers multiple of 7 between 30 and the 40. So what do you think?
5.
5. They say multiples of 7 that must be between 30 and the 40.
35.
35 is correct. That is the only one, nothing else. Okay, what do you think about number 5? What can make it to be equal to 2m?
2.
2 is correct. Then number 6. They said Ben sells houses. The pictogram chose and they gave us the key. Choose information about the number of houses Ben sold in each of the first 3 months of last year. So each square represents 4 houses. So how many did Ben sell in January?
He sold 10 in January.
10 is correct in January. In February? In February, first, each square represents 4. So this shouldn't take time.
8.
No, it is not correct. It is 9. This one is a square divided into 4. Okay, what about in March?
12.
12 is correct. Then, and they asked again under it, write down the number of houses Ben sold in January. We have done that. B, show this information on the pictogram. In April, Ben sold 11 houses. So how do we draw? A quick one. How do we draw for April? How many squares and then what?
So you do 2 squares.
No, yes, you do 2 squares is correct. And the what? And you do 1/4. I mean 3/4 a square, isn't it?
Yeah.
Something like this.
3/4 of a square, yeah.
Yes, 3/4 of a square. So that is it. And the question continues that in May, in C, Ben sold a total of 60 houses in the first 5 months of the last year. So work out the number of houses Ben sold in May. Please, just a moment. I think there is underground noise from my end. Let me control it quickly. Any noise?
No.
Okay, go ahead.
Mr. Can you go up, please?
Pardon? Okay, I should go up. Okay, cool. Go ahead. So, remember a square is 4. Is 4 houses. And they say, okay, for your calculation. So 60 we are sold for the first 5 months. So, how many were sold in May? That is going to be 10 plus 9 plus here is 11 plus 11. Okay? So that is going
42.
42. Okay, if you
Yeah.
add these ones, this is 20, 30, 30. So out of 60, this
What?
one is 11.
Oh,
Okay, this one is 12. I didn't add 12,
yeah.
then plus 12. So that will give us a total of 42. So you subtract 42, and that will give you how many? 18. 18 was sold in May. 18 houses. Do you understand?
Uh-huh.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So when you add the first four, which is 10 plus 9 plus 11 plus 12, that will give us 42. You subtract it from the total of 60 houses that were sold for the 5 months. That will give you exactly what was sold in the month of May. Okay, we move to the next question. This one has to be a physical class. What you're supposed to do is when you are given the paper, you place your ruler, okay? And you measure through the centimeter side and then put down your answer. What about this one? Measure the size. This one you use what we call, this one in
Protractor.
the A
Protractor.
part, you use a ruler to measure, okay? But in the B part, you use protractor. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Here you use protractor to measure the angle and you will get the accurate angle. So C part says in the space, draw a hexagon. A hexagon has how many? 6 sides, isn't it?
Wait, sir, give me a second. Someone's calling me.
Okay. So this can be a hexagon. It has six angles, but I just sketched it. If you are drawing it with your ruler, it will be neat, okay? So this is hexagon. Hexagon. All right. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we continue. This is hexagon. It has 6 sides. 6 sides, okay? And also 6 angles. I hope that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. Let me reduce the size, okay? So this question is asking, we have points A and B inside the grid. And we are asked to find the coordinate of point A. What do you think is the coordinate of point A?
2, 1.
2, 1 is correct. And B, coordinate of B is what?
-2, -5.
-2, -5. That is coordinate of B. Now the question now asks, what is the coordinate of the midpoint of AB? That is from A to B. What will be the coordinate of the middle point? That is what the question B is asking. So what do you think? Any idea on how to find the coordinate of middle point?
No, sir.
Look at what you do. You do what we call, you do x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That will give you the coordinate. What that means is this is x1, this is x1, this is x2. So you are going to add -2 plus 2, comma, divided by 2. Then this is a y1, this is y2. So you are going to add 1 plus -5. You divide it by 2. So this solution will give us the answer. -2 plus 2 is 0, divided by 2 is 0. Then 1 plus -5 is -4. -4 divided by 2 is going to give us -2. So the middle point is going to be 0, -2. What it means is that if you draw a straight line with your ruler from A to B, the middle point is going to be where x is 0 and y is -2. So this is the middle point. It is called 0, -2. How I got it? I added the values of x. The first one, I divided by 2. I also added the value of y. The second one, I divided by 2. That is how I got the coordinate. I hope that makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Cool. So we move to the next one, which is question number C. It says on the grid, mark with a cross the point with a coordinate of -2, -4, and that is going to be at this point. Okay, with a cross, -4, 2. So that is the coordinate of C. I hope that makes sense.
Yes.
Cool.